Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to do a super quick DIY with Dollar Tree t-shirts. Now they do have tank tops there too, so you could use a tank top if you wanted. And they've got all different colors, so you choose the color you like. So I'm going to use this spray bottle that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use just a little bit of bleach, and I'm going to use the same amount of water as bleach and mix those together. Lay out my t-shirt, and I'm going to use this Dollar Tree sign that says Harvest Wishes. And they got all different kinds of signs, so you could use whatever you wanted. And I almost just used a leaf, so you could add some words and then some of the leaves or pumpkin shapes on the t-shirt too in different places. Get creative. This is so fun and so easy. You just spray your bleach mixture on there and watch it right before your eyes change. I love that coppery, rusty color. I think it's perfect for fall. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick DIY. And of course, as always, I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
Just tell me what you want.